The user record represents the complete profile for each user in the system. From the user management page, administrators or managers with the proper permissions can view user records, edit them, and create new users. You may also have access to other functions like viewing the user's permissions, changing the password, and accessing the system as another user to help with troubleshooting. Let's view an existing record to understand the user's relationship to organizational units, approval settings, and other important designations. The user record is separated into various sections. The General Information section contains the username and ID, hire date, and status. For organizations using a data feed, the Allow Reconciliation setting is critical. When checked and set to Yes, the user becomes inactive if the user's ID is no longer active or present in your HR feed. Otherwise, if the user ID from your HR system matches the one in Cornerstone, the record is always updated, regardless of the Allow Reconciliation setting. Contact information includes the user's address, phone number, and email. The corporate email information is required and recommended if you wish to message this user with system emails. Settings include the user's language, time zone, and training approvals. The organizational structure section is where you associate users to a manager, approver, and organizational units. The manager designation sets the hierarchy for the user, who reports to whom. The manager, approver, and cost center designations are used for task workflows where one or more levels of approval are needed. Users are associated to one organization unit type, one division, one position, one location, and so on. The division OU is commonly used to determine many settings and configurations throughout the system, such as navigation, page views, and more. Organizations can create custom OU type to capture user associations to non-system entities. For example, in a matrixed organization, you might want to capture a user's project manager. User type and employment status indicates if the user is an employee, contractor, or other user type along with the status, like working or on leave. Create and use custom fields to capture additional information about users that is not available using the system's fields. For organizations using Cornerstone HR to manage their records, some additional options are available. You can enable duplicate user prevention and can choose one or multiple fields that the system should check to ensure a new user entry does not match an existing one. Along with duplicate checking, effective dating lets you make changes to a user record on a past or future date, when that change became or will become effective. Use the Effective Date section to view user records as of a particular date in the past, present, or future. Create, view, and manage your users to maintain clean profiles for users in your system.